Sabi ko sa inyo mga bossing, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, pahiram ako nitong video mo na 'to, kapatid, kung sino ka man. Ayan, sinasabi niya.
As a result of those, at saka ang tagal-tagal, why does it? But someone, so not
Wala
only
na-
someone, maraming nagsasabi siya, uy, i-watch mo nga, ganito, ganyan. O di, titingnan.
Ito, sinasabi nito ni Conchita Carpio, dating ombudsman nito. Sabi niya nga na, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin, panoorin ko yung Quadcom. Tatawa ako, ayaw kong panoorin kasi alam daw niya, nakikita daw niya, ang daming palpak dun sa Quadcom hearing. Ang daming palpak, may mali-mali mag-English, may ganito, may sikat-sikatan, galing-galingan, abogado-abogaduhan, sasabihin na, di mo kailangan mag-abogas siya, i-google mo lang. May mga gano'n. Saan ka makakita na ganyan? Ang tagal nag-aral ng mga abogado tapos mamaliitin mo, sabihin mo Google, mas magaling Google sa mga abogado. Kaba, maraming information, maraming mga info sa Google na hindi lahat yun tama. Mamimili ka dun kung alin yung tama. Hindi lahat nung nakalagay dun tama. Pinagsasabi nitong Google. So ayun, sinasabi ni Conchita Carpio.
Ko naman, oh my.
Oh my. Oh my. Yun ang ano niya, ang reaction niya. Pagkapanood niya ng Quadcom. Oh my. Imagine. Confidential funds dinidiscuss. Oh my. Mapapa-oh my ka talaga. Kasi nakaka-umay na.
O di syempre.
Do you think ba po yung quad hearing na yan may katapusan ba yan? Or for that matter, all of the congressional hearings,
Well, it's supposed to be in aid of legislation.
yes.
I have yet to see, I don't know, maybe I'm stupid enough not to be able to see the pattern of how they go about that.
Imagine, si Scarpio is saying, I think I'm stupid enough or ang tanga ko lang, siguro ba't hindi ko nakikita yung pattern. Pero walang pattern eh. Baka sila nakikita nila yung pattern, pero ako wala akong makitang pattern. Di ko alam kung anong batas ang magagawa nila dyan. Yung sinasabi ni Carpio, barbers, kasuhan mo rin si Carpio for saying or for telling us na yung Quadcom is walang patutunguhan? Coming from a decorated ombudsman.
Crafting legislation as a result of those. At saka ang tagal-tagal, why does it take up so many weeks and months even on end?
Diba?
Yeah.
Imagine, weeks and months, ang tagal na, hindi pa tapos. Bakit? Paano? May nagsasabi na malaki daw ang bonus dito, kaya pinapatagal nila to kasi per hearing yata yung bonus. Yun ang sinasabi Yun yung nakikita natin kumakalat sa social media. So ito sinasabi ni Carpio na, teka, ang tagal. Weeks, months. Ano yun? Negative ang nito ang implications nito. Or negative ito sa sa Quadcom. So ididemanda mo rin or pag-imbestigahan mo rin si Carpio for stating yung kanyang opinion na something's really wrong with this hearing. Ang tagal na bakit tsaka wala akong nakikitang pattern. So it's an opinion. So pag nagbigay ng masamang opinion sa inyo, pakukulong nyo na, bay putang ina, martial law yun.
Yes.
And I think that's the same question that everybody has. Just the other day, ang guest ko dito, si Congressman Benny Abante. And I was asking the same thing. I think,
Oh, what did he say? I did not watch.
well, I'll tell you what Filipinos find themselves saying na, I never thought that this day would come, where you have Duterte there and you have people grilling him. And certainly a lot of people didn't expect this to happen this fast. I think this is relatively fast for us. At the same time, people are also, I think, wondering, okay, nagigrill siya, natatanong siya finally, he gets to get confronted, pero saan ba papunta lahat to? And people see elections next year ahead of time. We know that all these congressmen are going to be running for positions, lalo na pagdating ng January. So, we're all wondering. I mean, do you wonder that?
Yeah. I mean, I think so much facts or non-facts have been unearthed during those hearings. So ano pang gusto nila? What else they want to drive at?
Is it enough? You think, is there enough?
You know, what else are they trying to drive at? You've got all the information already. Do the necessary steps. Do the necessary actions. Why are you still continuing this? Ano pa ba yung gusto nyong ma-unearth? Ano pa ba yung gusto nyong malaman? Ang tagal na nito, you should have meron more than enough na sana yung information that you've gathered. 14 hours tumatagal yung hearing ninyo, and this has been going on for months. Ilang weeks na, ilang months na hindi pa rin natatapos to. Sa longest na yata ito na inquiry in aid of legislation. So even Carpio, ang sinasabi niya is, I really do not see the pattern. If you cannot see yung pattern, yung direction nung Quadcom, politika lang to para sa akin. Kasi yun yung sinasabi ni Madam Read between the lines. Hindi man niya sinasabi yun, pero parang sinasabi niya na siguro ang bobo ko kasi hindi ko nakikita yung pattern. Pero dahil nga tanga ko, nakikita ko wala talagang direction. So kung walang direction, ibig sabihin wala kayong mabubuong batas. At kung walang direction, ibig sabihin you're just prolonging this for the sake of sirain talaga yung mga pangalan ng mga Duterte. I mean, that's just my assessment dito sa sinasabi ni Conchita Carpio. Di ba? So ang sinasabi ni Conchita Carpio, yun na nga, ang dami na nga niyang inamin doon. So what's next? Ano pa? Ano pa yung gusto nilang malaman? Bakit hindi pa matapos to? Korte na ba sila? Di ba? Yun lang naman.